VXN News has obtained footage uploaded today showing mounting concerns for the Amazon rainforest, an area described by Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva as representing the pinnacle of environmental significance. His impassioned plea comes as reports indicate a concerning escalation of illegal deforestation activities within the region, directly threatening indigenous communities and disrupting crucial biodiversity. Environmental groups are warning of an impending tipping point that could release vast quantities of stored carbon, accelerating global climate change. Beyond the environmental devastation, humanitarian organizations express grave worry about the forced displacement of indigenous populations, highlighting the urgent need for intervention and protection. Experts suggest that the ongoing crisis could have far-reaching regional implications, destabilizing delicate ecological balances and potentially triggering conflicts over dwindling resources within neighboring countries. The footage reveals the immediate impact on local communities and ecosystems, highlighting the gravity of the situation, emphasizing the need for international cooperation to preserve this vital resource. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.
Rivalidades estratégicas e conflitos armados. Precisamos de mapa do caminho para planejar, de forma planejada, junta, reverter o desmatamento, superar a dependência da ação ambiental. Rivalidades estratégicas e conflitos armados.